Good morning, students. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, and here are your directions for what you should be doing for e-learning today. Yesterday, you should have done some introduction work into this story that we're going to be reading. It's called To the Top of Everest, and so you should have gotten some background information from those videos that you watched, and you should have familiarized yourself with some new vocab. Today, what you're going to do, the first thing you need to do is read the story To the Top of Everest. So in case you don't remember, you need to go through Clever and click on Pearson Realize. And when you click on that, you will need to kind of toggle till you get to this screen. You get to our book. And then the actual text, you'll need to go to Unit 5. And then it's in small group learning, and it's right here, To the Top of Everest. So you need to click there and eliminate all this other stuff. And you can even hide the picture if you'd like. And you are going to start reading. You may listen to the text as well, and that's highly recommended. So you can click play, adjust the speed as necessary, and listen to the text as you read along. So once you are done reading the text, you need to come back to Otis and then open up your comprehension questions for this text. And that was the document that you started yesterday, and it will be in your assessments folder here on the left-hand side. And it looks like this. So this is what you started yesterday. Yesterday, you should have just done the pre-reading questions, which were these first 5. So these should have been done yesterday. If they were not done, please make sure you get them done today. And today you are just in charge of doing part 2. So that includes the reading comprehension questions, 1, 2, 3, and the central idea or theme questions. And there's just 2 of them. But you need to make sure that you are properly identifying a theme and then giving us reasons why you think that is the theme. And it can't just be something like because it makes sense or because whatever. You need to use some text evidence and reference parts of the story when you're explaining why you think that your theme is the theme of the book. Okay. Once these are done, you need to mark both of these as complete. And that shows us that you are done with today's work. You should work for about 30 minutes total doing these 2 things. The reading takes about half that time. And so you can see the reading takes about 15 minutes. And so you should have about 15 minutes to complete these 3 reading comprehension questions and these 2 central idea or theme questions. If you have any questions for us, your teachers, please feel free to email or come to one of our drop-in Zoom meetings from 9 to 10 a.m. or 1 to 2 p.m. Thanks and have a great day.